Hi everybody, I'm back again with another video. In this video I am going to talk about the most important aspect of YouTube right now, which is the newly launched feature, which is YouTube Shorts. I'm going to tell you everything about YouTube Shorts in this video, so stay tuned and keep watching. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I am Aishwarya. I make videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and even I make videos on different programming languages. So if you haven't watched my video yet, go back, check it out, check my videos and tell me how did you like it. And if you actually liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button below. Click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. So without any further ado, let's move to the video. So in case you don't know from where to upload a YouTube short or where exactly to find YouTube shorts, then here it is. Open the YouTube app. Beside the home you can see there is S written, shorts. That is where you will see the shorts uploaded, and you can see there is also camera button there. You can actually use that as well. Click on the plus sign. Here you can see create a short. You can click on that and create your shorts as well from here. Go to the camera. On the bottom left you can see your gallery. You can choose a video from your gallery as well. This is my gallery, I'm not showing it. And there's add music on top. You have to select music from here. Don't just download your music, just download it and put it there. Select music from here while uploading a short. So what exactly is this YouTube short? YouTube short is a vertical video of duration 15 to 60 seconds. It is more similar to Instagram Reels. You can say if any of you have uploaded Instagram Reels, then you must know how to upload Instagram Reels or what is the duration of Instagram Reels. In Instagram Reels, the duration of a video has to be within 30 seconds, but in case of YouTube Shorts, it is within 15 to 60 seconds. So this is the major difference. The duration is a bit longer in case of YT Shorts than of Instagram Reels. And obviously, if you want to upload a YT short, the video has to be in vertical format, not the horizontal format of YouTube like normally we upload YouTube videos. Now the next important question that arises is that, is this YouTube short a special feature for YouTubers who have already gained monetization, or is it for any creator? Well, to answer this question, I'm going to tell you that no, it is obviously not a special feature for YouTubers who are already successful in YouTube. It is for everybody. It is for every creator in YouTube. You can avail this YT short even if you are uploading your first video on YouTube. You can create a short video as well. There is no bar that you have to cross this limit, or if you have to cross this amount of views or watch hours to create YT short. No, there is no, absolutely no bar in this. Anyone can upload YT short if they want to upload in their YouTube channel. Well, the next question that arises is that, is YouTube short eligible for monetization? Like, if short video is actually eligible for monetization? To answer this, I'll tell you no. YouTube short video is not eligible for monetizing your YouTube channel. Well, this is really a sad news, but what to do? It is how it is, But the only thing that I can tell you, there is a lot of advantage in uploading YouTube short. I'm going to tell you the advantage in the later section of the video. Keep watching. Now the next question that arises is, will my watch time be counted if I create a YouTube short video. Well, I really regret to say this, that no, the YouTube short watch time will not be counted and will not be considered as an original content into your YouTube channel. And it's like really sad, but this is how it is. Your watch time will not be counted, and even your views in your YouTube shorts will not be counted. In case of monetization, the views that you gain in your original content in your videos, that will be counted, and short video views or watch time will not be considered by YouTube in the process of monetization. So please don't be in this misconception that if say your short video has more than 3000 views and say 200 watch hours, but sadly those watch hours and views will not be counted while you apply for the monetization in your channel. That will not be counted. Only the views that you have in your original content, in your original videos in the YouTube channel that you're operating will be counted. As there is a lot of disadvantage, as you can see, like I would consider this as a disadvantage, and it is like really saddening and sad that watch time and views will not be counted in the monetization thing. But there is also a lot of benefits. While you upload a YouTube short and for example, like it reaches to a couple of 2000 views, and among these 2000 views, people who have watched your video, while watching their video, if they subscribe to your channel after seeing the short video, that will be considered. Yes, the subscription will be considered in YouTube shorts. You might have seen this if you have updated your YouTube, that there is a button called shorts down below the YouTube site or the app. In that section, if you go and see, then you will be able to see different short videos of different people, and beside the channel name in the bottom down below, you will be able to find a red subscribe button over there. So if someone watches your video and clicks that subscribe button and subscribes to your channel, then that subscription will be added to the channel subscription, and obviously it will be counted in your monetization period. So this is like very important, and this is kind of really beneficial. And actually, since YouTube shorts is one very important aspect of YouTube, people view shorts very much these days, and I think in order to grow your channel, if you are new to YouTube, in order to grow your YouTube channel, you can create YouTube shorts and upload it. And if you get more than like 200 or 2000 or 3000 views, then through this 2000 and 3000 views, if people subscribe by seeing this YouTube shorts, people subscribe to your channel, then that subscription will be added, and that can be really beneficial to your channel and to you in later section when your channel is in way is in a way to monetize. So in a way it is like very beneficial, and people tend to watch shorts more these days. Like we enjoy watching Instagram reels, it is kind of similar, but it has like certain differences. So I think shorts is really useful in gaining a lot of subscribers. If you can actually create good short content and upload it, and you see that you get really good response and views, and you get say like 50 to 100 subscribers through one particular short, then I think it's like really good for your channel. So creating shorts is always a very good idea for your channel. Well, the last thing about YouTube short is that will my video get a copyright strike if I upload a music in the YouTube short? Well, the answer is no. You will not get any copyright strike in your video if you tend to apply any popular song that you want to add behind your video. you will not get any copyright strike. Well, that is a really good news. But there is also a disclaimer, which is, while editing your video, please make sure that you don't add music while editing your video. Please don't add music on your own, by just downloading the music and music of any popular song, downloading it and just putting it at the background of your video and then uploading it to YouTube Shorts. In that way you are going to get the copyright strike. What I mean is, upload a video without any music, then go to the YouTube music library, select music from there, select your popular song from the YouTube music library and then upload it. In that way you are not going to get a copyright strike. Make sure that you don't upload the video with the music in it, because in that way YouTube is going to detect that you have used a music without the permission of that particular company or the person who has created the music. But if you upload a music within the YouTube app and by using the YouTube library, in that way you're not going to get any copyright strike. So please note this and keep in mind to upload music only inside the YouTube Shorts section, and use the YouTube music library while uploading shorts and while putting music at the back section of your video. So, and also one another important aspect is that for example, say you don't understand and you just upload a short with music just like that, like normally like you upload YouTube video, like you create a horizontal video, put a background song and then upload it in YouTube. That way you are going to get a music strike. Make sure that you upload the shorts within the shorts section and not in normal upload section. Upload the shorts by clicking on the shorts section and then go to your gallery or library of your laptop or your mobile phone, in whichever device you have your file, then upload the video from there. Okay, move to the shorts section and upload the video from there. And point number 2 is, make sure not to use inbuilt music by downloading any popular music from the internet randomly and putting it in the background of your video. Upload music within the YouTube short section. That way you're not going to get any copyright strike. Thank you so much for being patient with me and watching this video fully, and I hope you liked this video as much as I liked making it. So with your support and with your love, I have gained 300 subscribers in my channel. Keep supporting me like this, and comment down below if you have any problem related to uploading YouTube Shorts, or if you have any queries related to YouTube or YouTube Shorts or anything. And you can go and check out my videos. Click to my channel below and see whichever video suits you actually. So that's about it. Happy learning. Keep subscribing me, keep supporting me. Thank you so much.